we don't grow hot peppers per se, but there are some people that and some industries that work on trying to grow a hotter pepper and a hotter pepper and a hotter pepper in order to expand the boundaries of heat.
Yeah, basically. So there is a company, and there might be more than one company, but there's companies that they use science, technology, which is called STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, to make the hottest peppers. So for a long time, I think it was the ghost pepper was like the hottest pepper. And there's this unit of measurement called the Scoville unit of measurement. So it rates hot peppers. Well, peppers heat. So bell peppers are already 0. So like your regular sweet bell peppers or any sort of sweet pepper is at a 0. Jalapenos are 2,000 to 5,000. These peppers that these companies are making go up to 5 million.
5 million.
Yeah. Scoville. So just think about that. Think about jalapeno, and you're like, maybe you're like me. You're like, that's plenty of spice. Imagine 5 million. That's insanity. So the other thing, this is kind of a fun fact, is that only mammals can feel the spice from the peppers. So like birds, lizards, fish, ducks. I mean, I know ducks are birds. They cannot feel the spice from peppers. So if you're ever having bird problems, somebody says put pepper around, the birds aren't going to care.
Right, and that's why we in the industry of people, squirrels are eating from the bird feeder. You put chili powder in and mix it with the bird seed. Yeah. So, and then there's companies that sell it specifically for that.
And don't rub your eyes in.
Because the birds don't taste it, but because the squirrel is a mammal, it has the it's not an endorphin, but a trait in the brain in which
it can feel the capsaicin.
It can feel the capsaicin. Yeah. And to get to get hotter peppers, because that ranges so well, 2,000 to 5,000 on the jalapenos. If you cut the water off or reduce the water and stress the plant out, it can make the pepper hotter as well.